here in Machakos County. So this is the footbridge. It is mainly used by the residents here. Mombasa Road. You can see the expressway there. Yeah, Mombasa Road. So many businesses going on along this footbridge. There is a Mombasa Road. So this road extends to Mombasa, but the expressway ends at that toll booth there. So that is the exit point for people using the expressway. So I want to tour Mlolongo today. Expressway. So the expressway is a PPP project owned by the government of Kenya in partnership with private companies. It is a 27.1 kilometer road stretching from that point in Mlolongo to Westlands area. So the expressway has really helped to ease traffic along Mombasa Road. As you can see, traffic is moving quite smoothly, and this is thanks to this very noble project. So let's tour Mlolongo town. I think it is the economic city of Machakos County, one of the counties here in Kenya. So people come to chill here in the evenings. Let me go this way to start my journey from down there. The Mlolongo town. So it's around 6 p.m. on the dot, and I'm just arriving here in Mlolongo to show you what exactly goes on around this town, Mlolongo. So I want to give you a comprehensive tour of this area, so you have an overview of how life is in this part of Machakos County. So this is Quickmart, one of the largest supermarkets here in Mlolongo. And in Kenya generally. So I want to show you the streets of Mlolongo. Businesses going on. This truck has stalled in the middle of the road. It's being repaired. Life is normal. Things are going on as usual. Businesses along the roads, and yeah, generally the kind of life you would expect in most parts of the country, especially metropolitan areas. So come along with me as I show you how things look like in Mlolongo. So one of the things you would want to know about Mlolongo is that it is the stopping point for most long distance truck drivers. So this is the point they stop to take a rest, come sleep around here. So there is lots of accommodation. Chicken being sold. So I'm actually in the back street. I've reached the back street of Mlolongo. I've left the highway. This is basically how things look like around here. 6 p.m. Enjoy. People most probably coming from work, others going on with their businesses. It's a chill evening here in Mlolongo. So I want to tour the market. I don't know where the market is located, but I think I might need to ask around. But I like the fact that some part of this area is paved with curb roads. Looks good. There's not so much dust. The residents are enjoying. Mlolongo. So there are several joints around here where people relax to have a good time. streets of Mlolongo. I don't know the history behind the name Mlolongo, but in Swahili, Mlolongo means a queue, a line of people. So initially I was informed that the name came out of the fact that previous elections in Kenya were held before independence. Elections were held on a Mlolongo where people queued and chose their leaders. This one. So many businesses going on here in Mlolongo. So this is a random video, a tour of Mlolongo. Show you how life is here in Mlolongo town. As you can see, this part of the road where most people do business is well done with cabros. So it means the county government of Machakos is doing something to make life easier, more comfortable for the residents here. Street foods. You get everything you want here in Mlolongo. It's a walking video just to show you what is going on here in Mlolongo. Chill life. So Mlolongo is a cosmopolitan town. You find all people from the country here, but obviously the majority are people from the county of Machakos and the wider Ukambani region. The Kamba people are the majority here. So the politics of Mlolongo are dominated by Wiper Democratic Movement, which is the political party, the most common, famous political party here. So the constituency here is Mavoko constituency, which covers all the way to Athi River. So let me show you how this street looks, and then I come back. So these are inner streets within Mlolongo town, just behind the highway. So there is not much business going on along this street. Let's go back. Let me show you the other streets. I think the other street is busier. More people, it's bubblier. So Mlolongo town has several faces. I think this one here is phase 1. And then there is phase 2, 3, 4, 5. The higher the number of faces, the farther from the Nairobi-Mombasa highway. So if you stay in phase 5 in Mlolongo, then you are very far from the town. Let me turn from here. This is some sort of a park, a resting area where people chill. This one here is where people rest after a long evening, a long day of work. Yeah. People doing their normal businesses. So if you want to live near the CBD but far from the hassles and bustles of the city and get affordable accommodation cheaper. Cheap is relative. You don't know, you never know what cheap means to some people. But if you want to live a cheaper lifestyle but get good accommodation, then this is the place to consider, Mlolongo town. So I have come back to the main highway. Let me show you the businesses along this road. So I started from the back streets. It's quite late right now. It's around 6:20 or so. So the lighting is not very perfect for my camera, but it is going to capture something that you can see. It's still visible. So this is how Mlolongo looks like. So many clubs, so many restaurants, so many lodges. You get everything in this town. The border operators doing their thing. So Mlolongo looks clean. It's not that bad for an economic town of Machakos County. I think it is okay. Machakos town is the administrative capital of Machakos County. And this is where most of the businesses are located. This is where the majority of Machakos residents are. It is like the capital city of Machakos, and this is where they come to get to make ends meet. So customers are located here because of the high population. So it attracts so many people. If you want Mugoka, then you can come to this street. This is where you get cuts or miraa, as it is known here in Kenya. I don't want to go one street from here, the back street immediately after this street. I don't want to go and film there because it is unethical. So we are at the next footbridge. There are 2 footbridges, I think 3. within Mlolongo town, serving thousands of residents on a daily basis. So the sun has already gone down. No, I'm told. Let me see what goes on in this street. Very busy. Nothing much. I think it is only busy because of it is the main stage where people are light. So this street is almost empty.
Wacha kukaa na watu hawana pesa ya stock. Wanakula stock.
Keep moving, keep moving. This place sounds like the heart of Mlolongo town. Very busy. This is Olympic petrol station in Mlolongo.
Kwa nini?
There's the expressway. Let me take you up the point where the expressway ends. So you can have a better view of this town, Mlolongo. Shell petrol station or gas station, depending on where you come from. There's some good drainage here. This is one of the reasons Mlolongo was not affected by floods. The drainage isn't that bad. Resisted the speedy waters of the floods. So if you can remember, that's the footbridge, that one there. That's where we are lighted. I'm coming. This is how things look like. So if you want to come to Mlolongo, just board a bus, a minibus in Railways bus station. It's around 50 shillings from the CBD to this area. It's not very expensive. So you can come and have a tour of Mlolongo. Get the street foods. More street foods. Fish. So let's cross this footbridge, the far end. Of motorbikes. So both motorbikes and people share this footbridge. So there's a lot of confusion. We are back here. We'll proceed downwards up to the end of the expressway. So I'm filming this video very late in the day. It's exactly 6:33 p.m. East African time. And we are showing you the real streets. So I want us to cross here so I can show you the other side of this street here. Show you what's going on here. This Quick Mart supermarket. see that name there, Mlolongo, is the final terminal or booth on the expressway. So let's escape from that dust there, go like this. I think it is getting dark, late in the evening. I'm about to end this video. End of expressway. The exit I've been walking for the last 38 minutes, showing you around Mlolongo town, how things look like. Now I think it is time for me to end this video. So many businesses, especially restaurants and accommodation. Hotel businesses are booming around this area, and this is because of the busy Nairobi-Mombasa highway. Another big busy strip. Or I'll show you the interior of Mlolongo town another time. Not today. Let me go to the stage there. On board a matatu. So all these people are waiting for buses to go back to Kitengela. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.